Hey, I'm Marina. I quit my job in the pandemic to travel the world. After starting in Italy and a road trip through Slovenia, we now are on a road trip through Croatia, or especially Istria right now. And today we are in Palladini and at the Karlic Truffles, and we're about to do a truffle experience here. Quick recap of yesterday. We basically didn't do too much, but in the end it turns out we did a lot. So we basically just went around a lot of small towns like Hum, which is the smallest town in the world apparently. To Waterfalls, which is also a really beautiful and picturesque town on top of a hill.
So you're ready?
Yeah. Yeah, also we went to a waterfall in Pazin, whatever. It was nice, but it's not a must to go. The other two cities are definitely a place you should go visit. But yeah, back to this place here. We actually booked the Truffle Experience for 65 euros, which includes food, like a dinner kind of or lunch, and also truffle hunting. But before we get into that, I want to show you our beautiful apartment you can just book with the experience. We are in Palladini and at the Karlic Truffles, and we're about to do a truffle experience here. And if you just look at this place, it's just adorable. The company is actually owned by Ivana, and she's like in the 3rd generation of truffle hunters. So we're about to have like a lunch here and also go truffle hunting with the dogs. Like, one of the greatest things here is they have a lot of dogs, of course, because they go truffle hunting. They are so cute. And they say basically it doesn't matter which dog. You can get any dog to go truffle hunting, and they have so many different and so many cute ones.
So these are my best friends. Let's say we work together all day. And this is Lila, bravo Lilita. Also crazy one. So every second I stop the dog because the truffles there are very shallow and they can easily damage them. So if they damage them, then no, she hit the truffle. Look inside. You can smell it. So if you don't cover them, the sun will just burn the roots. The way dog I always encourage them. That's very important. Otherwise it's become boring for them. But I think it's only this small part, so the rest of the truffle it's still good, so you can still use it.
Straight out of the truffle forest. Anything.
It's a bit warm, but the wine is kicking, and we've been out here with the dogs. It's been a fun time. We actually found some truffles. Not we, but the dogs found them. This day was delicious so far. Really enjoyed it. The guides are just absolute legends, and I'm really enjoying my time here. Got some good shots of the dogs, the food. Pretty successful so far. Do I still need to talk while walking?
No, and we actually got invited to a pasta party tonight. So before we're gonna leave this beautiful place, which I can still highly recommend, because I don't know, it was definitely so far one of the big highlights from this whole road trip for me. And yeah, we're now just checking out a viewpoint over the lake, which is actually the lake that supplies all of Istria with water. And it's just magical here. Such a nice view. So that was it from Palladini and from the Truffle Experience. As I said before, I can only highly recommend to do the Truffle Experience here, or if you don't want to do it, or if you don't want to spend the 65 euros for the whole experience, which is, by the way, not much for what you're gonna get for it, but you can still visit the shop there. You can buy, like, I don't know, like, there are liquors. You can buy Truffella, which is like kind of Nutella with truffles, which is really good, or like a lot of other stuff. Just pay them a visit because it's totally worth it. All those people working there are so kind and so welcoming, and
they are the nicest people ever. We even got a little goodbye gift.
Yes, it's just like yesterday we even got invited to a private party with them. Like,
they were the nicest people I've ever met.
Yeah. we basically don't want to leave.
Yeah.
But well, we have a few more stops till the end of our trip. So until next time, stay tuned, stay curious, and stay creative.